its kind, offering a chance at 100% clear skin. With Taltz, up to 90% of those with moderate to severe psoriasis saw a significant improvement of their psoriasis plaques. Some even saw 100% clear skin. Don't use if you're allergic to Taltz. Before starting, get checked for tuberculosis. Increased risk of infections and lower ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor about infections, symptoms, or if inflammatory bowel disease symptoms develop, worsen, or if you've had a vaccine or plan to.
Sorry, that was actually my TV in the background.
Ask your doctor about Taltz. At Jim Ellis Automotive, we're taking extra steps to keep you safe. Use the Jim Ellis Expressway to purchase your vehicle 100% online, including at-home test drives and home vehicle delivery. We even provide convenient pickup, delivery, and mobile service options. And we'll return your vehicle fully sanitized. To all the courageous healthcare workers on the front lines, thank you for your endless bravery and sacrifice. We are here for you. Jim Ellis Automotive, where you can always expect the best. A new Easter Bunny is reportedly in spring training. No word yet on preparations, but Easter magic is said to be alive and well. If you need good furniture, Rooms to Go is here for you. You can shop online until our convenient showrooms reopen. We're here for you with beautiful furniture, 60-month interest-free financing with no minimum purchase and always low prices. Now we're here for you with new delivery options too, like in-door delivery. Get your order brought straight to your door fast, or let our dedicated team deliver and set up your furniture in home. Selection, value, and trust. That's Rooms to Go.
Integrity is doing the right thing for the right reason. If you've been injured, we'll handle your case with integrity and treat you with the dignity and respect you deserve. We are Mullen and Associates, trusted by families for over 35 years.
Weather presented by Mullen and Associates. Injured? Dial pound win from your cell phone.
A live look over the normally extremely busy Greedy Connector in downtown Atlanta. You can see things are moving smoothly, and since there's not much to track on the roads, let's track what we can. How about some storms moving into the metro?
Chief Meteorologist Glenn Burns now with us from Severe Weather Center 2 on what could be a bumpy overnight, Glenn. Very bumpy overnight. You are exactly right, and it's the next 12 to 14 hours, really rough weather approaching northern Georgia. We could be really in for it. Now, the first round we were tracking at 4 o'clock this afternoon, moving in from Alabama, but I showed you there just wasn't a lot of thunderstorm energy in Georgia, so those storms really collapsed into just an area of rain now, covering southern parts of Troup County, Meriwether County, Pike, Lamar, Upson counties as well. These are all moving toward Macon, so no problem here. So we get a nice break for most of the evening. I'll be here through the early evening hours. I'm tracking this line of showers and storms developing up here in lower Tennessee. Now that's going to be moving this way toward northern Georgia in the next couple of hours. So again, some nasty thunderstorms, and we have warnings on those storms right now. Now later tonight, meteorologists